Take a ride in the 2019 Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, fog lights, clock, compass, trip computer, day-night rear-view mirror, outside temperature gauge. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.